Hello, everyone. Today I'd like to introduce our fully automatic CNC stainless steel pipe punching and hole collaring integrated machine in the video. In the video, the equipment is currently processing a stainless steel pipe with an outer diameter of 4 inches and a wall thickness of 2.1 millimeters, as part of the pre-shipment testing for export orders. This machine is equipped with 4 servo motors and adopts an advanced 4-axis design, ensuring high precision, stability, and efficiency during operation. It is compatible with a wide range of metal materials, including 304 and 316 stainless steel, copper, carbon steel, aluminum alloy, and other profiles. The integrated processing functions include external punching, outward flanging, and end trimming chamfering, which achieve one-pass forming and greatly improve production efficiency and product consistency. We provide a variety of machine models to accommodate different pipe diameter ranges and customized production requirements. Next, let me walk you through the main structure and key components of this equipment.
This is a stainless steel tube. And this is a clamper. And this punching pin. And the machine can have the rotation function. The length can be customized as per your request. And this is a tube head trimming. And this is a control system.